These hydraulic press videos are going viral right now, and some of them are getting millions of views. Today I'll show you how to create these exact hydraulic press videos using AI free and unlimited. You will need to just copy and paste prompt. I've created a GPT in ChatGPT. You'll find the link in the description. Click on the link and then press Let's Start button. AI will automatically suggest 15 video ideas. You can select any of these ideas, or you can add your own idea as input. This is fully automated system. You need not to do anything without copy and pasting. Just copy the idea you liked and paste it to prompt box, and then write your brand name and submit. AI will automatically provide you image prompt as well as video prompt. At first, copy image prompt and come Google Flow AI to create image. Paste that copied prompt. Select image, then select aspect ratio. Select X2 and just submit. Within few seconds, you will see images are ready. In the meantime, if you have any confusion, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. When image will ready, check them. Then come back to ChatGPT and copy prompt 2. Come back to Flow AI and paste that copied prompt in this box. This time select video, then select aspect ratio. Select X1, then click on start icon and select your preferred image. And just submit. Wait for a few minutes. AI will generate a satisfying hydraulic press video. This hydraulic press videos are so satisfying, getting millions of views in YouTube. You can use my strategy to make with any objects you want. If this video helps you, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. I will show more samples to make you clear. This time I takes watermelon as object. Copying first prompt, coming back to Flow, and doing the same thing as previous. Select image, aspect ratio, X2 and submit with Nano Banana 2 model. And wait for results. When image generation will be completed, come back to ChatGPT and copy prompt 2 for video generation. Come back to Flow and paste that copied prompt. Do the same thing like before. Select video, aspect ratio, X1. Select any image and finally submit and wait. Here is our new hydraulic press video of watermelon. See it. This generation is so incredible. Let's create a new hydraulic press video with new object. I am just doing the same thing to make you more clear about this concept. In this way, you can make any kind of hydraulic press AI videos to get millions of views. You don't need to think about anything. Just copy paste and AI will do the rest for you. I hope this video helps you. So please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. You can use today's strategy to make your new Faceless YouTube channel to earn money online without doing much work. You can use this GPT to make new ideas and make your satisfying hydraulic press videos with AI for free and unlimited, and going viral soon. And for your information, I want to tell you one thing that you can use Google Flow AI for free. If you don't have any Flow account with enough credits, you can comment. I will help you to get rid of. When your video will be ready, click on download button at top right side and upload it to any social media you want and see the result after testing this strategy. Thank you for watching.